Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a journal flip through of a journal that I made for my guest design team project for LineDotArrow, and I used the Books and Botanicals Kit, and all her information will be down below, her Etsy shop and her YouTube and her Facebook group, so you can go over and check her out. So here is the journal. We got it tied off with some pretty lace. There's the back. It's a Reader's Digest book. It's 2 signatures, which are covered by the lace. And this is muslin that I rust dyed. So I have a few pieces in here that I rust dyed because I love the effect of it. So there's the cover. We have some rust dyed cheesecloth here, and this is stitched. You can see the stitching. We've got quite a bit of stitching in this journal. And when you open it up, you have a library card with some faux tape, and again, cheesecloth, rust dyed cheesecloth. Some pretty lace. I've used white lace throughout. You got a tag there. This is the rust dyed paper. Isn't that just gorgeous, the effects of it? Here's a pocket that's stitched in, and some watercolor with the colors on the pocket and the tags showing through. Here's some mulberry paper, little ruffle. This is the book page pocket that we made in the Facebook group in week 1 of the challenge. We got some vintage hymnal paper here. And this is the paper clip that we've done together. We've got a pocket there and a pocket here. And this is an altered paper clip. And you can easily make it a hidden paper clip by doing the same pocket on the other side. Here's the center signature. Very pretty digital. And this is an envelope that was in the kit, and I did the wax seal here. It is a bunch of books that are stacked with a steaming hot cup of coffee on the top. I got that from BB Craft, and we did a video on that, and I got that just for this journal. A couple of tags here. A pocket stitched in. Nice little tuck spot. There's plenty of writing space in this journal. Here's the mulberry paper. So you could write in it if you like. Another pocket. Rust dyed paper here. Isn't that just beautiful? We have an altered guest check with rust dyed cheesecloth, and I think we did the guest checks on video. If you want to go back and take a look, that is stitched in, and now we're at the beginning of our second signature. And I didn't count the pages, so I need to do that. This is another piece of the rust dyed paper. There's the back side of it. Very nice. Couple of cards. I have glue on my finger and it's driving me nuts. Mulberry paper. Nice ruffle. Another book page pocket. This is a page from the original book. Nice patina. Got some watercolor there. Guest check with the rust dyed cheesecloth. Here's the center of the second signature. A couple more tags. Mulberry paper. Isn't that pretty? Here's another paper clip with a tag there. And that is on some vintage typewriter paper. Rust-dyed paper. And a couple of tags. And the end. In the center, this is muslin. It's the same muslin as this, except that's rust-dyed. And then on the inside cover is book page from the kit. So isn't that nice? Let me count these real quick. So there's 19 pages, and you times that by 4 to get the number of pages. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed this. Again, it is available. I believe it's in 9x6, 5.5 by 7.5. I was close. I forgot that the Reader's Digest are a little smaller. If you're interested in this journal, you can email me or message me on Facebook or Instagram. All my information is down below. And I hope you enjoyed the journal, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.